Hello, my friends. This video is to kind of help you get set up for this super foggy worksheet. Oh, there, that's better. Okay, so as you're looking through this worksheet, the first six, or actually the first seven that you have are about writing expressions. So this is what we were working on last week where we were translating things. So I want you guys to notice this is an expression. Remember, we talked about how expressions are different than equations. There's something that equations have that expressions do not have. So hopefully you guys remember what that is because you're going to need to know it. Okay, so the first seven are about expressions. Then when we get down here, we get into ones that say evaluate. So you've got 8 through 12 involve you evaluating. This is actually a lot easier than you probably think it is. Evaluate means substitute. Hopefully I spelled this right. Wow, rough. Okay, anyway, substitute and solve. So if I have this expression right here, and it's an expression because it's missing something, so hopefully you guys are catching what it's missing. If I have this expression for BC plus G, and I know that B equals 2, C equals 3, and G equals 10, I can substitute these values in for these variables, and then I can solve it. So for and where B is, I always put parentheses around whatever I'm substituting in just so I know it was a substitution. So B is 2, C is 3, and then we're going to add all that to G, which is 10. So now I follow my order of operations and I do 4 times 2, which is 8, times 3 plus 10. Then I do these guys, 8 times, and since that's right outside parentheses, I know I'm multiplying it. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 10. So this expression, if I am substituting these values in for the variables, this expression equals 34. So you guys have a couple of those that you have to do. So one of them you have with parentheses, one of them you have, and you guys know that when you have this fraction bar situation, it actually means divide. So you're going to divide 48 by whatever AB equals. And you know that when they're smashed right next to each other, that means that you are multiplying. Good Lord. Okay, now we're going to come down here and there's a couple questions about vocabulary. Then you have some order of operations problems to do. And then down here, you have some with grouping symbols. So you have an order of operations problem and you actually have the solution, but you have to figure out where the parentheses go to make the solution true. So once you're done with all of those, you're going to draw the features on the faces and you're going to color according to your answers. So you actually do need a color because that is going to be different based on whatever you answer. So again, you know how to do everything on here except for maybe the evaluating, but it's just a matter of substituting and then solving following the order of operations. Good luck.